Hi and welcome. In this video I'll be unboxing the iPad Pro. This is the M1 version, and if we look on the back here we can see it's the 128 gig iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation Wi-Fi. So if you want to see more videos regarding the iPad Pro, make sure you subscribe because I'll be doing many more in the upcoming days and weeks. So with that said, let's unbox it. Now the great thing about Apple, they provide this little opener thing here. So all I need to do is pull that and around the corner. And will we go around the corner again? Yes, in a way. Okay, so we have the cellophane out of the way. And now for the special moment, the reveal. So we pull the box up and there we have it. Wonderful. We have a little pulley here to ease its way into the world. Let's put the iPad to one side for a second. We'll quickly see what's inside. We have a cable here, which is USB Type-C. Hopefully you can see that. Both ends, USB Type-C. We have a brick. Let's open it up. And of course I'm in the UK, so that is the UK style brick. Very nice and tidy, great for traveling. USB-C point there as well. And that looks like that's more or less it in the box. And of course we have the obligatory booklet. We get a sticker. Where's my sticker? No sticker. Oh well, can't have it all. Anyway, so that's that. And here is the main event. This is the iPad. Now, it feels a decent weight, not too heavy. Let's pull this cellophane off again with this little pulley. So we'll peel back here. It's a lovely sound. And we'll pull it off like so. Let's have a look. There we go. Beautiful. You see the speakers just here, the USB-C point. At the other end we have speakers as well. Real fine engineering here. Pressing the power button, and as you can see, it's powering on. So as I say, if you want to see more on the iPad Pro, make sure you subscribe, come back regularly and check out the videos. Thanks very much for watching. Appreciate your time. Have a great day ahead.